Welcome to today's tutorial. Today I will guide you through the steps to achieve a flawless base using foundation. First, start with a clean and moisturized base. This step is very crucial to ensure a smooth application and long-lasting wear. Next, choose a foundation that matches your skin tone. You can test the shade on your jawline to find the perfect match. Using a beauty sponge or brush, apply the foundation, setting from the center of your face and blending outwards for a natural finish. Don't forget to blend the foundation down your neck to avoid any harsh line. If you need extra coverage in certain areas, you can build up the foundation gradually for a seamless look. To set the foundation and increase its longevity, lightly dust some translucent powder over your face. Remember, less is more when it comes to foundation. It's easier to add more product than to remove excess. And there you have it, a flawless base using a foundation. Practice makes perfect. So don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Thank you for watching.